Hello there guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Yeti microphone into your Sony Sportcam, the HDR AS15. Stay tuned. Alright guys, before I proceed with this video, I'm recording with my Sony Sportcam, the HDR AS15, to do this video. Alright, you're looking at the USB cable that came in with the Yeti microphone, and you have the regular USB plug, and you have the mini USB. This cable is 9 feet 11, but you can also use a shorter cable if you like, depending on your application. Alright guys, you're looking at the auxiliary cable, the 3.5, and this one is a 3-pole. As you can see, it's got 2 rings. This one is the 4-pole. It's got 3 rings. Alright guys, you're looking at the battery pack. This device I use to charge my my phone. Also, I power up the Yeti microphone with it. It will power up the Yeti microphone, but it will not work because I believe the Yeti microphone needs to be recognized by a software, and this is a battery pack that it does not have any software in it, so therefore it's not going to work. It's not going to activate the microphone. So this battery pack is not going to work. I tried it, it didn't work for me. Alright guys, now I'm going to go ahead and connect the cable into the Yeti microphone. I'm going to start with the mini USB. And the 3.5 3-pole cable. It's going to go into the headphones here, and this is the wire that's going to connect into your Sony Sportcam, and this is going to be your volume control. This is going to allow you how much audio is going to go into your Sony Sportcam. Alright guys, you're looking at the 13-inch 2009 MacBook Pro, and this is the computer I'm going to use to power up the Yeti microphone. Alright guys, you want to open up System Preference, and then you're going to go on the sound, and you're going to click on the sound, and it's going to bring you to the microphone window here, where you can select inputs and outputs. Alright guys, now I'm ready to connect the Yeti microphone into my laptop. Make sure you open Windows Preference, connecting the USB cable into my laptop, and you should see where it says Yeti stereo microphone. After connecting the Yeti microphone into my computer, now I'm ready to connect the 3.5 3-pole auxiliary cable into my Sony Sportcam. As you can see, the Yeti microphone is powered up and is ready to go. Now I'm ready to connect the cable into the Sony Sportcam. I'm going to connect it right now. Alright guys, now that I have the microphone connected into my Sony Sportcam, now we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of a test. And this is the volume control here, and it's at 9 o'clock, and I'm going to turn it up to the max so you can hear the difference. I'm turning the volume at its max. Volume is at its max. Volume at its max, and I'm going to turn it back to 12 o'clock. Right now it's at its max. $12. Volume at 12 o'clock. Volume at 12 o'clock. Turning the volume back to 9 o'clock. That's the volume at 9 o'clock. That's where I feel more comfortable between 8 and 9. This is where I feel more comfortable. And the gain volume also, I keep it around 9 o'clock also. As you can see right here, it's at 8 o'clock. But I kind of like to keep it around 9 also, and 8. So I'm going to turn it to the max right now. Gain volume at its max. That's the gain volume at its max. And I'm going to turn it all the way down. Gain volume down, all the way down. Gain volume down. And I'm going to crank it back up to 9 o'clock. That's where I feel more comfortable. Alright guys, now I'm going to go ahead and try the pattern mode here. Right now I have it on stereo. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. Cardio mode. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. This is on cardio mode. This is omnidirectional. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. This is directional. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. This has been a test on the Yeti microphone and the Sony Sport Cam. If you like this video, please comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.